Well, hello, and welcome to QuipCon. We've got a Rondo sheeter, cutter. I think this thing just does about everything you can do to dough. I'm going to demonstrate right now how to sheet, and it's a reversible sheeter, so it's going to go back and forth. It's going to stretch it out and smash it as fast, in both directions. After that, we'll make a video of it cutting and anything else that we can think of that'll do. It's 2 speeds. In the first speed, both belts will run the same speed. In the second speed, the in-feed belt will run a little bit slower, giving the dough a chance to stretch out. So, let me get started here. I'll show you how it works. All right, we'll lower the roller a little bit. And I'll show you the first, let me run it all the way down here. Then the first speed, or the fastest speed, so that both belts are running at the same speed, is the first catch. So I'll do that first, and then I'll slow it down as it's going through, so you can see the difference. Okay, now I'll slow it down, and it'll stretch the dough. Now sheet it in the opposite direction, doing the same thing. Alright, a little thinner. If you get really good at this, you can speed up the dough and slow it down exactly when you need to. I'm not quite that talented, but let me show you what it looks like now. Open it all the way up and run it through. And there you go, freshly sheeted dough. If you had a reeler, you could put it on here and pick it up and bring it somewhere else. Or if you want to cut it, you can do it right on here. You run it back in this direction. And you put the cutters on here. We'll lower it down. And we'll send it through. Here we go, ready to cut. Okay, we'll catch them on a tray. And there you go, freshly cut donuts. Let me walk around the camera here and grab a couple. I got a little misshapen because I actually just let them fall on the ground. I didn't have a tray there to catch them, but that's what they look like after a 2.5-foot fall to the floor. But you can see it does a great job. Now I'll reset this up, move the cutter, and together we'll try to figure out how this bottom works for making the small bread. That would be very interesting. I've never done that before, so we'll give that a shot. We'll try that. That'll be part 2 of this video. that was it. That was kind of exciting. I've never actually ran these sheeters like that before. I mean, we fixed a lot of them. We repaired a lot of them. We've reconditioned them, sold a few, but most of them were actually before we did our videos, so it was kind of just, see that they work and, fine with that. But kind of fun to run the dough through it and cut it and make the little donuts and see how all that works. So if you need this sheeter, and you see how well it works, so you got no questions there. But if you do have any questions on something that it might do, or voltage or anything like that, don't worry, give us a call. We'll be able to answer them. Phone number is 636-583-8200, or check out our website. There's a bunch of information there. It's www.quipcon.com. There'll be a link to our eBay store where you can buy this great piece of equipment. And if you have any questions at all, you can email us too. The email address will be there. You can ask them if you don't like talking on the phone. Think a while, write down any questions you might have, email them to us, and we'll be glad to answer it.